A table saw machine is one of the most important tools used in woodworking. It is designed to cut wood quickly, accurately, and efficiently. From small workshops to large factories, the table saw plays a key role in shaping wood for furniture, doors, cabinets, and many other projects. At the heart of the table saw is the circular saw blade. This sharp, round blade spins at a very high speed and cuts through wood with ease. Different blades are used for different jobs. Some are made for rough cutting, while others are designed for smooth and fine finishes. The flat surface you see is called the tabletop. It provides support to the wood while cutting and helps keep the material steady. A smooth, level table is very important for accurate cuts. Next is the rip fence. The rip fence runs parallel to the blade and helps guide the wood in a straight line. It is mainly used when cutting wood lengthwise. By adjusting the fence, users can control the width of the cut precisely. Another important part is the miter gauge. This tool is used for angled cuts and cross cuts. It slides into a slot on the table and allows the wood to be cut at specific angles, such as 45 degrees or 90 degrees. For safety, many table saws include a blade guard. The blade guard covers the blade while cutting and helps prevent accidents. Some machines also have a riving knife or splitter, which keeps the wood from pinching the blade and causing kickback. The on and off switch is usually large and easy to reach. This allows the operator to stop the machine quickly in case of an emergency. In conclusion, the table saw machine is a powerful and versatile woodworking tool. When used correctly and safely, it helps create accurate cuts, saves time, and improves work quality.